Hi, dear students. Today we will take the class of cell biology in our biotechnology in 2021 syllabus, GATE syllabus. Cell biology includes various subtopics. In that, today we are going to explain the cell biology. Before going to all these things, I would like to explain some basic fundamental things in the biology. All of you know very well that biology, bio means life, logos means study. So in entire globe on this planet, two types of materials are there: living material, non-living material. In that living material, if you take any living matter, it includes plants, animals, and microbes. So in entire world on this planet, in biology, plants, animals, microorganisms are present. We will see the visible things are plants and animals. Microbes, most of the microbes will not be visible, invisible. We need to use certain what is known as microscopes to observe these microorganisms. One thing, that is viruses. Viruses are also comes under microbes, but viruses are not cells. The cell structure starts from microorganism, that is from bacteria onwards. So all those things, basic things, I will explain. So on this planet, the biology includes the living organisms, plants, animals, microorganisms. So from where cell structure is started. So in all living organisms, the fundamental unit of life, biology is nothing but life. In this living organisms, the basic part, so the growing of any organism starts its life from a cell. So it is a fundamental unit of biology, building block of all organisms, all living organisms on this planet. That includes plants, animals, microbes. So you won't confuse with viruses. I will explain again. In viruses, they are not at all cells. We will go to the microbes, plants and animals. Later I will explain the viruses. So here the cell, the basic structure of the all living organisms. Based on the number of cells, all living organisms are divided into two types: unicellular organisms, multicellular organisms. So in unicellular organism, only single cell act as life. You know very well, single cell organisms, bacteria, all bacteria are single cells. So a small single cell act as a living organism. All biological activities, their physiological activities like reproduction, and various metabolic activities occurs within the single cell only. Suppose it is the basic structure of a bacteria. So this single cell, membrane bounded, this single cell act as a living organism. Whereas multicellular organisms, all multicellular organisms consist of more than one cell, individual cell. So the number of individual cells increases and mass of cells act as a living organism, except bacteria and what is known as protozoa and some algae, unicellular algae. The remaining all living organisms includes plants and animals comes under multicellular organisms. Okay, so the cell is the basic unit of living organism. I will show some diagram. You will see this is the bacterial diagram. This is a single cell which act as the one living organism, a basic model. So it contains various parts and it goes, divides and forms its offspring or children bacteria. Whereas in multicellular organism, The single cell is to see the plant cell, the plant, entire plant act as a living organism. It contains